emits from 0, 0, making an angle of 30 degree with positive x-axis after getting if this ray basically. Okay. Okay, how would you calculate the image of a line? Basically, find image of x minus y minus 1 equals to 0 with respect to 2x plus y minus 2 equals to. Can you try to solve this question? Do you know?
Yeah, give me 1 second. X minus y minus 1 equal to 0 with respect to
2x plus y minus 2.
yeah. I mean, first we'll find the intersection of the two lines. They will
What if
1 comma 0, right? So
yes.
a equal to 1 comma 0. Then we will take another point on the original line from x
Yeah, you find
minus
the image
y.
and you
Yeah.
correct.
So p
Okay.
equal to 0 comma minus 1. Then x dash equal to x1 minus 2a. Ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Same for by a is 2. So x1 minus 4x1 plus y1 plus minus 2. Then x1 is 0. So minus 4 divided by 5. Okay, so basically x1 is basically 12 by 5. And y1 is minus 1 minus 2 into 1 into minus 3 divided by 5. So y dash is 1 by 5. So the reflected point p dash is 12 by 5 comma 1 by 5. So the slope is 1 by 5 by 7 by 5 because minus 1. So yeah, the slope is 1 by 7. And so y minus 0 equal to 1 by 7 x minus 1. 7y equal to x minus 1. X minus 7y minus 1 equal to 0.
Okay, correct. Good. Now, one more topic which is similar to this only is the reflection topic.
Yeah.
So, few things. Let's say you have this particular, let's say, some mirror. Line comes and reflects. Now, obviously, normal is here. Whatever angle is there, this is the same, right? I is R. And what else? Should this angle be also same as this angle?
Um, it's reflection rates. Yeah.
Yes. What is that? It's 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Okay. So what we can do is, let's say you have been given this mirror. You have a point here 1 comma 2 and you have a point here 4 comma 6, right? It reflects and passes through this point. Okay, you have to find the reflection of this line. So very easily, definitely you can find the image of this point in this line, since it is line y equals to x. So just this coordinates will get reversed. So the reflection of this point is what? 6 comma 4, right? And as a fact, whatever the reflection of one point is there, that is lying on this line actually. So technically we can write the equation of this line, then this line. And similarly we can find the point, reflection of this here. So that would be 2 comma 1. So this is your reflected, basically in the, how do I say, in the mirror if we see. So for example, let's try this question. A light ray emits from 0 comma 0, making an angle of 30 degree with positive x-axis after getting if this ray so you have to point that find q. So the question is like kind of easy only. You can also try if you think you can do. It's easy only. The rays emitting from 0 comma 0. So like let's say this is 0 comma 0, and they're saying that it is making angle of 30 degree with positive x-axis. So can we say that this angle is 30 degree?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So can you find this
Wait, you
point?
mean this one, right? Between the line and the axis.
Sorry. What?
No, yeah, nothing. 1 second, I'll try to find it. Alright, makes from 0 comma 4 number of degree. Yes. Okay. We can start. Given so raise from 0 comma 0 as a 30 degrees, so y equal to x by root 3, right?
So yeah.
Okay. It reflects from x plus y minus 1 equal to 0.
Yeah. So
Back.
definitely, we can find the equation of this line. So that would be what y minus 0 is because the slope is tan 30
Yeah,
degree, right? That's tan 30 degree is what 1 by root 3.
yeah.
So we are getting
So y
root 3x
equal
equals
to
to 3.
x3. Yeah.
Okay. Now we can find the point since this mirror is actually x plus y equals to 1. So we can find this particular point. What is this point? This point is point of incidence.
Hmm.
Okay. So we
Yeah,
can find this
we
point.
yeah, so x plus root 3 equal to 1, and then x equal to root 3 by root 3 plus 1, so equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. So and then y equal to 1 minus x, so root 3 minus 1 by 2, so we can take p as 3 minus root 3 by 2, comma 3 minus root 3 minus 1 by 2, and you have to find image of origin from, okay, x dash will be equal to 0 comma 0 minus 2 by 0 plus 2 by 2, so 1, and then y dash will be 1, 2 to cancel, yeah. So image of o dash will be 1 comma 1, then the reflected ray, so basically m equal to, yeah, basically root 3 minus 3 by 1 minus root 3, so root 3 minus root 3 by root 3 minus 1, so root 3 basically. So uh, the reflected ray through 1 comma 1 will be 1 y minus 1 equal to root 3 uh, x minus 1, and then so x equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3, 3 minus root 3 by 3, so q equal to 3 minus root 3 by 3 comma 0.
Okay, correct. Now you can move to centers of triangle. So first center is centroid. So
Yeah.
centroid is what? Point of intersection of medians, right? And centroid divides every median in the ratio 2:1. A, B, C. What is a median actually in a triangle? This is represented by G. Median would be what? Basically, let's say a
A
median
plus
from A.
point of BC.
Yeah, so that would divide this. Does is a median perpendicular to the side?
Not particularly.
Yes. Okay. So similarly from here also we find, here also we find, and this is actually your G. So you can see how G is dividing every median in the ratio 2:1. Okay.
Yeah.
Many students practice maths regularly, but still don't improve. Because the same mistakes keep repeating, and no one tracks them. In exams, this turns into confusion and blank moments. With one-to-one mentoring, every mistake is corrected, and real improvement begins.